How to verify ID on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on YouTube. So in order to verify your ID on YouTube, all you need to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, open up a web browser. You can also do this with the help of an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now once you open up your web browser, on the web address bar type in youtube.com. That's going to direct you to your YouTube account. So in order to verify your identity, first thing first, make sure that you already have an account. So after that, go ahead and tap your profile icon located in the top right hand side corner and go to YouTube Studio. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to show you all of your information regarding your YouTube channel. So over here, you'll need to scroll down right to the bottom in the left hand side bar and go to settings. Once you tap the settings button, that's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see multiple options. So go ahead and tap on channels. As soon as you click the channels button, now from here, go ahead and tap on feature eligibility. And as you can see in the number 1, there is standard feature, which is already enabled. And similarly, in my case, I've already verified my ID. If you've not verified your ID, on the step number 2, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the arrow icon, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the features associated with verifying it. In order to verify it, click the verify button located right in the corner. And to verify your identity, you only have to provide in your phone number, and through a phone number, you'll be receiving an OTP. As soon as you do that, you've successfully verified your ID on YouTube. So in that way, you can verify your ID on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.